Welcome to innocent teaching. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது 6th standard science unit 3 matter around us. Matter around us. First one, choose the correct answer. First one, dash is not made of matter, dash is not made of matter. 4 option இருக்குது. இதில் correct answer எதுனா light ray. First one correct answer light ray is not made of matter. Second one, 200 milliliter of water is poured into a bowl of 400 milliliter capacity. The volume of the water now will be 4 option இருக்குது. இதில் correct answer எதுனா 200 milliliter. 200 milliliter of water is poured தண்ணி ஊற்றுறது into bowl of 400 capacity. The volume of water now will be answer 200 ml. C. Next one, third one, seeds from watermelon can be removed by dash method. 4 option இருக்குது. இதில் correct answer first one, hand picking. Seeds from watermelons can be removed by எலுமிச்சை பழத்தில் இருக்கிற அந்த விதையை எப்படி ரிமூவ் பண்ணுவீங்கன்னா hand picking, கையால் தான் பொறுக்கி எடுப்போம், hand picking. Fourth one, lighter impurities like dust when mixed with the rice or pulses can be removed by dash. Lighter impurities like dust when mixed with rice or pulses can be removed by. எந்த மெத்தடில் ரிமூவ் பண்ண முடியும் அப்படிங்கிறாங்க. லைட்டர் ஆர் இம்ப்யூரிட்டிஸ் அதை கலந்துருக்குது ரைஸில். எந்த மெத்தடில் நீங்கள் ரிமூவ் பண்ணுவீங்க? ரைஸில் கலந்துருக்க அந்த வேஸ்ட்டெல்லாம் எப்படி ஃபில்டர் பண்ணி எடுப்பீங்க அப்படிங்கன்னா 4 ஆப்ஷன் இருக்குது. இதில் கரெக்ட் ஆப்ஷன் வந்து வினோயிங் புடைச்சி எடுக்கிறது. வினோயிங்னா புடைச்சி எடுக்கிறது, க்ளீன் பண்ணுறதுன்னு அர்த்தம். Fifth one, dash of essential to perform winnowing activity. Dash of its essential to perform winnowing activity. 4 option. இது correct answer air. காற்று மூலமா தான் அதை clear பண்ண முடியும். Question number 6, filtration method is effective in separating dash mixer. 4 option. இது correct answer solid liquid. Filtration method is effective in separating dash mixer solid liquid. Answer B. Question number 7, from the following dash is not a mixer. Answer 4 option. Correct answer water. From the following dash is not a mixer. Answer water. Question number 2, state whether the following statements are true or false. If false, give the correct statement. True or false? இந்த statement true ஆ இருந்தால் அதை correct statement சேஞ்ச் பண்ணி மாற்றிங்க அப்படிங்கிறாங்க. First one, air is not compressible. இந்த statement வந்து false. Falseனா the correct statement true or false இந்த correct statement A, air is highly compressible. Air is highly compressible. Question number 2, liquids have no fixed volume but have fixed shape. Fixed volume வந்து fixed இருக்கு. No fixed volume but have fixed shape. The statement false. Correct statement is first one. Second one, liquids have fixed volume. No fixed கிடையாது. Correct, have fixed volume. Okay. Question number B, liquids have fixed volume but have no fixed shape. Correct answer. Question number 3, particles in solid are free to move. Which statement அப்படிங்கிறாங்க? False. Particles in solids are free to move. The statement is false. Correct statement is answer C. Particles of solid cannot move freely. Particles of or liquids are free to move. Question number 4, D, when pulses are washed with water before cooking, the water is separated from them in the process of filtration. The statement wrong. False. Correct statement is 4th one. Correct statement, when pulses are washed with water before cooking, the water is separated from them by the process of decantation. Question number 5, Strainer is kind of sieve which is used to separate a liquid from solid. Statement correct answer true. Sixth one. Grain and husk can be separated by winnowing. The statement correct true. G. Answer G. Air is pure substantial. Correct statement. In the statement is false. Correct one is air is mixture of gases. Air is a mixture of gases. Question number H. Butter from curd is separated by sedimentation. The statement wrong. False. Correct statement is butter from curd is separated by churning. Next question number third. Room number 3. Match the following. First one. Property example. First one. Breaks easily. Breaks easily. Next. Breaks easily brittle. First one is answer mud pot. Mud pot na mud paane artham. Second one. Bends readily. Bends readily. Question number 2. Answer plastic wire. Bends readily. First answer on the plastic wire. Third one. Can be stretched easily. Can be stretched easily. Question number 3. Rubber band. Can be stretched easily. Rubber band. That answer correct. Fourth one. Gets compressed easily. Gets compressed easily. Question number 4. Cotton wool. Cotton wool. Woolna bedsheet போர்வையில வரும் அந்த wool. Woolna woolen cloth. Cotton wool. Next gets heated readily. Gets heated readily. அப்ப என்ன ஒரு ஆன்சர்னா metal pan. Metal pan. Panல metal வருது. அது ஆன்சர் metal pan. Next question number B. Match the second one. A, B, C. First one. Separation of visible understandable components. Answer correct answer. First one is rice and stone. Rice and stone. Correct answer hand picking. Rice and stone. அதில் என்ன இருக்குன்னா நம்ம கையால பொறுக்கி எடுப்போம். Hand picking. Next one. Separating of heavier and lighter components. Answer 2. Husk and paddy. Husk and paddy. Paddy na nelle husk na umi. Husk and paddy. Correct answer வந்து winnowing. Winnowing na புடைச்சு எடுக்கிறதுன்னு அர்த்தம். மரத்துல புடைச்சு எடுப்பாங்களா அதுதான் winnowing. Next third one. Separation of insoluble impurities. Separation of insoluble impurities. Answer water mixed with chalk powder. Chalk powderல water mix ஆச்சுன்னு எப்படி இருக்குமோ அதுதான் கலந்துருக்கும். இதுக்கு ஆன்சர் கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர் filtration. வடிகட்டி எடுக்கிறது filtration. Question number 4. Separation of magnetic component from non-magnetic components. Fourth one answer iron impurities. இரும்பு வச்சு impurities எடுக்கிறது. Purities தனியா impurities தனியா பிரிச்சு எடுக்கிறது. அதுக்கு ஆன்சர் magnetic separation. Fifth one. Separation of solid from liquids. Solidல இருந்து liquid எப்படி நம்ம செப்பரேட் பண்றதுன்னா ஆன்சர் sand and water. வாட்டரையும் மண்ணையும் தனித்தனியா பிரிச்சு எடுக்கிறது. இதுக்கு ஆன்சர் decantation. Answer decantation. Question number B. Answer correct. Next one is the fourth one. Fill in the blanks. Matter is made up of dash. Matter is made up of atoms. ATOMS atoms. Question number 2. In solids, the space between the particles is less than dash. Liquid and gases. LIQUID. Liquid and gases. 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 Third one. Grains can be separated from their stalks by dash. Threshing. 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 Fourth one. Chilies are removed from upma by dash. உப்மாவில் சில்லிஸ் மிளகாய் கலந்துருந்தா எப்படி எடுப்பீங்கன்னா ஹேண்ட் பிக்கிங் கையால் பொறுக்கி இருக்கிறது HAND ஹேண்ட் பிக்கிங் PICKING ஹேண்ட் பிக்கிங் மெத்தட். நெக்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின் நம்பர் 5. The method employed to separate clay particles from water is dash. Answer filtration. FILTRATION filtration. Question number 6. Among the following items safely pins, pencil and rubber band dash will get attracted to a magnet. Safety pins. SAFETY safety PINS pins. Question number 7. Water obtained from tube wells is usually dash water. Impure water. Pure water la impure water. Water la tube wells usually dash water. Impure water. Next question number 5. Complete the given analogy. Complete the given analogy. அது எப்படி இருக்கோ அது கரெக்டான ஆன்சர் கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர் கொடுக்கணும் நம்ம கண்டுபிடிச்சு எடுக்கணும். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன் solid rigidity gas dash கேஸுக்கு என்ன வரும் flexibility flexibility. Question number 2. Large interparticle space gas. இப்போ என்ன எழுதுவீங்கன்னா இதுக்கு little interparticle space solid. Little இங்க largeனா little, interspaceனா interparticle space. Answer. Next question number 3. Fluidity fixed volume. இதுக்கு என்ன வரும் liquid. Fluidity fixed volume. அப்படி என்ன எழுதுனா liquid. Next question number 4. Husk grains winnowing sawdust chalk piece. அப்ப என்ன வரும் filtration. FILT or ATION filtration. Question number 5. முறுக்கு from hot oil dash filtration. Coffee powder received from decoction. In the filtration method. Murukku from hot oil filtration, coffee powder received from decoction. That is filtration method. Question number 6. Iron sulfur mixer dash mustard seeds from the urud dal rolling. Magnetic separation. Next question number 6. Very short answer. Define the term matter. Answer. First one answer. Matter is defined as anything that has mass and takes up space. Matter is found in solid, liquid and gas. Matter is defined as anything that has mass and takes up space. Matter is found in solid, liquid and gas. Question number 2. How can husk or fine dust particles be separated from the rice before cooking? Answer. The husk or fine dust particles can be separated from rice by washing the rice with water before cooking. Next, the lighter impurities float while heavier rice grains sink into the bottom. It is sedimentation. Then the water with the impurities is carefully poured away by decantation, leaving clean rice at the bottom. Next question number 3. Why do we separate mixer? Answer. A mixer is a impure substance and contains more than one kind of particles, so we have to separate mixers. Question number 4. Give any example for mixer and justify your answer with reason. Answer. Fourth one answer. Milk is an example for mixer. It contains water, fat, protein, etc. Since two or more compounds are mixed in a physical combination, milk is a mixer. Question number 5. Define sedimentation. Answer. Fifth one answer. Sedimentation is the deposition process of setting down of heavy solid in a mixture of liquids and also insoluble solid. Question number 6. Give the main difference between a pure substance and an impure substance. Answer. Pure substance. It is made up of only one kind of particles, unadulterated. Next, impure substance. It is made up of two or more toxic particles, adulterated. Next question number 7. Short answer. A rubber ball changes its shapes on pressing. Can it be called a solid? A rubber ball changes its shape on pressing. Can it be called a solid? Answer. Yes. Short answer. First one. Yes, a solid has certain shape and size. The shape of a rubber ball changes only if we squeeze it. Next, question number 2. Why do gases not have fixed shape? Why do gases not have fixed shape? Answer. Gases possess more intermolecular space and less forces of attraction. Next, then they can move freely at any direction. They have the property of filling the entire path of a container by taking the shape of the container. So gases do not have fixed shape. Question number 3. What method will you employ to separate cheese from milk? Explain. Answer. Churning followed by coagulation is employed to separate cheese paneer from milk. There are 6 important steps in making cheese paneer from milk. First one. Acidification, coagulation, separating curds and whey, salting, shaping, ripening. Next, question number 4. Look at the picture given below and explain the method of separating illustrated. Fourth one answer. The method is called sieving. It is used to separate solid particles of different size. Example, bran from flour. Question number 5. How can you separate a mixture of a large quantity of tiny bits of a paper mixed with pulses and dal? Answer. We can separate the mixture of a large quantity of tiny bits of a paper and pulses or dal by winnowing. The lighter papers will be carried by wind and heavier pulses. The dals will fall closer and form a separate heap. Next, question number 6. What is meant by food adulteration? Next, in the answer, food adulteration is the process in which the quality of food is lowered either by addition of inferior quality material or by extraction of valuable ingredients. Question number 7. Mr. Raghu returns home on a hot summer day and wants to have buttermilk. Mrs. Raghu has only curd. What can she do to get buttermilk? Explain. Answer. Mrs. Raghu has to take half a cup of curd, add half a cup of water, do it to it and mix it well. Now she can serve buttermilk. Question number 8. Answer in detail. First one. Distinguish between properties of solid, liquid, gas. Draw suitable diagram. Next, question number 2. Using suitable apparatus from your laboratory, separate the mixture of chalk powder, mustard oil, water and coins. Draw a flow chart to show the separation process. Hello students, இந்த வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, உங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸுக்கு ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, மறக்காம NSN டீச்சிங் சேனலுக்கு சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. Thank you.